Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Adobe Creative Cloud. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop and go to Google. Once you're inside Google, type in Adobe Creative Cloud Uninstaller in the search box here. And then in the Google search results, you want to click on the first one here, uninstall the Creative Cloud desktop app. And now this will redirect you to this website from adobe.com. So you can have a read here. So uninstall the Creative Cloud desktop app. So if we scroll down here, it will say how to uninstall and reinstall the Creative Cloud desktop app. So what you need to do, so if you've got a Windows PC, so a Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, click download here. If you've got Windows 10 AIM, download. And if you've got 32-bit, download here. If you're not sure what processor or how many bit your PC is, go down in the search bar here and then type in about your PC and then click into here. And now see here under about here you got where it says system type. I've got a 64-bit operating system. So if you've got a 64-bit operating system and you're running Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7, click download here. If you've got a 32-bit, click download. And then after you download that, what you want to do is extract the contents of the zip file and then double click the Creative Cloud uninstaller.app file. You might be prompted to allow the uninstaller to proceed as well. So click on yes. And then once you've done that, a pop-up like this will appear. So you want to click on uninstall. And then that will go ahead and uninstall the Adobe Creative Cloud on your PC or laptop. And then once you've done that, a box like this will appear where it says uninstall successful. Creative Cloud desktop has been successfully uninstalled. And then click close.